Unraveling the mystery of local SEO. Step into the world of local SEO, like a detective solving the mystery of online visibility. It's not just about being online, but being the first name local clients see when they need a home inspector. Jesper, think of your website as your magnifying glass, zooming in on what local clients are searching for. We'll dive into keywords, ensuring your site speaks their language. But it's not all about keywords. Your online reviews are like witnesses vouching for your credibility. We'll explore local directories and listings, ensuring your business is visible wherever clients might look. Being active on local online forums and social media is like being at the crime scene, right where the action is. Remember, mobile optimization is key. Your site should be as accessible as a detective's business card. With the right local SEO strategies, your business won't just be a choice. It'll be the solution to the mystery every local client is trying to solve.